Today, we're unboxing the NIVARI Eden Collection. Let's take a look at what the full set includes. You're first greeted by the outer cardboard layer with a thick, leathery surface texture that feels premium right away. Let's lift that off. Underneath, you're welcomed by the glossy top lid of the box, featuring our signature 5 silver lines and the NIVARI logo. Further, you see a compartment with some intriguing contents, but let's take it step by step. First, let's take out the handmade wooden box. And let me tell you, it's heavy. Good thing global shipping is free at NIVARIwatches.com. Inside the walnut wood box, the NIVARI Eden rests securely on a soft, cushioned microfiber interior. But we'll set that aside for now and explore the drawer. It includes 3 key items. Let's take a look at the instruction manual. Available in multiple languages, it walks you through operating the movement, explains all functions of the watch, and offers care tips to help your timepiece last for generations. Then you'll find our lookbook, a beautifully printed visual showcase of the Eden Collection. Great for collectors, even better for your coffee table. And lastly, something a bit unexpected. A hard shell envelope for your important documents. Inside, you'll find our official certificate of authenticity and a silver imprint explaining our warranty policy. Your watch comes with a 2-year factory warranty. Each certificate is individually signed by the very watchmaker who built your watch here in Germany, including your watch's serial number and date of assembly. Right below, you'll find your metal guarantee card. It includes fields for your name, serial number, and date of purchase. And the design? Doesn't it remind you of something? Let's compare. Here's the obsidian model. Flip it over and look at the clasp. Side by side, you'll notice the design reference, a subtle nod to our sleek EMS clasp, the Eden Micro Adjustment System. Now, just like our clasp hides a clever feature, your metal guarantee card does too. It's actually embedded with an NFC chip. Grab your smartphone or any NFC-enabled device, place the card on the sensor like so, and there it is. Tap the pop-up and you're taken to our watch registration form. Enter your serial number, choose your model, add your name, and just like that, your watch is digitally registered in your name. It adds a layer of security and unlocks 1 extra year of warranty, bringing your total coverage to 3 years. Pretty smart, right?